eToro Review. 5 reasons why eToro is good for your financial future. For the past few years, eToro has become one of the very credible accessible trading platforms. If you are looking for a trading platform and you are a beginner, eToro can be a good option. Based on eToro Review, it is very trustable. eToro launched its platform in 2006 and in 2020, it will become the largest investment network across the globe. It has around 4.5 million users in its community. eToro comes with unique features that will benefit you as a new trader. Let's have a look at why eToro is going to give you a bright future in the trading world. 1. eToro comes with values. eToro has a clear vision of the company and how to present the company. eToro offers simplicity that is easy to follow for a daily user. The simplicity also eases everyday users to feel like they are a part of the platform since the day one they joined. eToro offers a new way to trade and invest your fund online. Trading with eToro is much more enjoyable as it uses a user-friendly and interactive system. eToro allows you to chat with the people on board, including the CEO. You can access information very easily as they are very transparent about finance. 2. eToro has unique features. eToro is the only trading company that has various unique features in trading. You will find a copy trader that is useful for a newbie. By using this feature, you will be able to see the successful trader's story. In this case, is about their trading history. You can clearly see how much the traders have made or lost. You can copy their trades and allocate your funds to follow. 3. eToro has Popular Investors Program. This program is a reward for users based on the copiers they have monthly. This incentivizes responsible trading. It is valuable for the members of eToro Trading. 4. Many trade markets. On eToro, you will find various trade markets for trading. You can find a stock market that is suitable for the medium up to long-term investment. eToro also has a crypto assets market, currencies, commodities, and also indices. You can find out the one that is suitable for your trading preference or trading style. 5. eToro has 2 account types. With eToro that is under EU law, you can find the right account type that you can choose. You are able to choose between the retail client and professional client. A retail client is a non-professional client. You can still access all trading assets, however, the leverage is restricted. The professional client is a client that has passed a test and determined that the client is qualified to become a professional client. eToro is a trading platform that you might be able to handle as a beginner. You can learn and supply yourself with accurate information and also eToro Review before you decide to join trading at eToro. It will help you to understand the whole package, so you can perform very well at it to gain your success. At eToro you can build your personal portfolio, create watch lists, copy popular investors. Visit the link below in the description to join eToro program.